Aging infrastructure is an expensive and hazardous problem for many communities. It's a particular challenge in Southern California, with 6% of Los Angeles County and San Bernardino County bridges classified as structurally deficient. In San Bernardino County alone, there are more than 1,400 bridges. With many in need of repair, government leaders are turning to innovative new solutions that improve safety while driving costs down, like infrastructure inspections using unmanned aerial vehicles or drones. In May 2022, the Inland Valley Development Agency engaged a team of professional drone pilots to work with a certified structural engineer on an aerial inspection of the Mountain View Avenue Bridge located in San Bernardino, California. The collaboration was made possible through the new UAS Center at SBD, which seeks to develop, test, exhibit, and commercialize unmanned aerial systems technologies while demonstrating cutting-edge product applications at San Bernardino International Airport. The UAS Center at SBD represents a unique public-private partnership between San Bernardino County, the Inland Valley Development Agency, and Caltech's Center for Autonomous Systems and Technologies.
One of the most important roles of the UAS Center at SBD is we are leaders in the standardization and integration of drone policy. What that means is for an entity like the County of San Bernardino, we will actually customize and write and draft an overarching policy for their use of drones within their county, including then the standard operating procedures and directives that each of their county agencies will use. This is important because we then offer training to those standard operating procedures and to those directives. So that keeps the county on an even keel, keeps them with a strong foundation from the standpoint of minimizing their liability and creating a safer community.
With drones, engineers can conduct infrastructure inspections that are significantly safer, faster, less expensive, and less disruptive than conventional inspections.
A bridge inspection using a drone is basically a process of gathering usable information and data for the purposes of assessing the integrity of the structure. Today we launched a drone and we did a series of waypoint missions. We created 3D models, we took photographs and video. The drone flew at a proper elevation in close proximity to an airport. We got airport approval to fly below an altitude of 250 feet and gather the data that we needed.
This is the first of several planned flybys of the Mountain View Avenue Bridge, which will create a baseline of structural data, allowing Inland Valley Development Agency staff to monitor its future strength and safety against that benchmark.
The opportunity with the drones is it's a visual inspection, and they're able to capture data, locations, everything that's very important to the bridge inspection. There's a lot more accuracy with the drone, which is nice, and a lot more data that can be collected in a very efficient and safe manner.
Using drones equipped with specialized lighting and assisted by ground-based lights, engineers can analyze high-resolution images of hard-to-reach, dimly lit areas like the underside of bridges, photos that can be used to spot any structural deficiencies.
Without it, they cannot actually see cracks, they cannot see in dark areas, so unfortunately, the lack of contrast, the contrast between the light and dark doesn't allow them to record information properly. Plus, the quality of the lighting needs to be good enough to be able to understand different tones in the colors. And so that is also critical for them to have a very good idea as to what they're looking at.
Drones also can generate 3D and infrared models of the structures they inspect to identify areas of corrosion, scour, and fracture.
So part of our bridge inspection is visually looking at the structure. There's many elements that we have to look at and evaluate. What the drone's doing right now is I've worked with the drone pilot listing out the elements that I'd like him to record. We're looking for cracks, any kind of deterioration, any kind of damage. What's nice with the drone is it has amazing technology, able to capture very, very good quality images, videos, so that we can assess and see what else we need to do.
The drone did everything from photogrammetry to videogrammetry to still photos to thermal imagery. And the reason why we did a variety of media options is to gather all the data that the inspector could need when we actually leave the scene.
Infrastructure inspections are just one of the ways drones and other unmanned aerial systems are transforming public works projects and public policy at a time of critical need. That's where the UAS Center at SBD can assist. Located just an hour's drive east of downtown Los Angeles, the center serves as a thriving hub for the advancement, commercialization, and adoption of autonomous technology in the U.S. and globally. Our clients include leading government agencies, drone manufacturers, software providers, and research institutions. We consult on drone policy, standardization, and integration, as well as product evaluation. Our San Bernardino Airport site offers comprehensive drone pilot training and certification, as well as a 78,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility for test flights and demonstrations. We also partner with public and private sector organizations in support of regional workforce development initiatives. To learn more about the future in flight, visit us at uascentersbd.com.